how can students build a strong LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters?
Okay. To build a LinkedIn profile, you need to have few things. First thing is that research on what is going on in trend, not in every trend, where you want to get the entry, right? So I would tell it from the software development perspective. You can generalize it for any organization or anything you want to get an entry into. First thing is that know what is getting latest into that. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing is that what all companies are working on that thing. You can similarly go to the profile like software development profile, search. There are a lot of companies come in there, right? Go there, search like what they are doing. Okay. Third part is that go to the employees who are working there already and have a lot of views, lot of connections. Skim through their profile, get the crux like what they are learning upon, what they have inputted in their LinkedIn profile, what are the skill sets they have, generalize 4 or 5 skills, add it up there, resolve it. You would have a very good LinkedIn profile to start with.
Okay, sir, that was really great. So now I have some questions related to your career.
Mhm.
Okay, so my first question is, what challenges did you face during your early career and
Mhm.
how did you overcome them?
Okay. So early career, if you go into any of the organization, like I have went to the organization which was whole oriented to the software development part, and I haven't been the core, I would say the core academician for the computer sciences. My branch was electronics engineering, right? So everything was new to me. How you are getting the HTML, how you are doing to going to get everything deployed, get the website up and running. I didn't know anything about that. So it was like there is a time crunch. If you go into the corporate, everything is time bound. You have to deliver something in with respect to the time. If you have been given the time for 1 month, you have to do that. They have a, you can say, time bound authority to do the jobs or the task. So first thing was the time management part. You have to do the learning, you have to do the job getting assigned to you, and you have to do it in the time. That was the initial challenges. I would say that to overcome this particular challenges, you need to be innovative in the sense like there are few tasks which can be performed in a lesser time but requires a learning part, right? Second thing is that we should you should have a very good googling skills. Almost every information is there on Google. You need to know how to extract that information, right? So you can keep pace with your learning. You can utilize whatever the job which has been provided to you and come up with that. Once you are getting accustomed with the technologies you are working upon or the project you are working upon, you would gradually get the idea, okay, the project is working like this. I can make the modification in this. These are the later stages. First stage is that spend your time learning, spend your time uh, building up the connection with the people around you. And the most important thing is that ask for help. If you don't know anything, go there, ask for people. There are a lot of people who are going to help you. You can't succeed, you can't progress anywhere by yourself alone or being an individual guy. Go for the help, ask for the people.